Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan and I'm the creator of Skullhead, the gardening, cooking, and DIY channel. Today I'm going to be making my own vanilla extract. Now I do still have some on hand. I just like to make it ahead of time because it takes a little while for it to sit and to get a nice flavor. So what you're going to need is a vanilla bean. Actually, I think this one has two, and some sort of alcohol. So I have tried vodka in the past. You can use that, but now I use a spice rum, which gives it a really nice flavor. So those are the two ingredients you're going to need. So let's get started. So I'm going to use this container because I like the size. I'm not giving this away to anybody. And so right now we're going to cut open the vanilla bean. So it is opened up. And then we're going to add the rum. So this is the vanilla extract that I made, and now I'm going to let this sit in the cupboard for at least a month and a half, 2 months. Now I do still have some left on hand from a previous batch that I made, so I will use that up first. So this will give it a chance to sit and ferment, to give it that nice vanilla taste that you can use in all your baking. So let me know how yours turned out in the comment below, or what you think of this recipe. And if you enjoyed this channel, please subscribe, tickle that notification bell, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye for now.